FKM Sleek 400. Meron po itong full LED na triple projector lights. May mahaba at matingkad na daytime running light. Located naman po rito sa ibaba, ito pong kanyang LED na turn signals. Clear color naman po ito pong kanyang windshield. Napli-flip naman po at adjustable ito pong kanyang side mirror. Naka-front telescopic fork dito sa harapan with rubber boots, habang naka-dual shock absorber naman po dito sa likuran at ito po ay adjustable. At mayroon naman po itong spacious na 2 front pockets. Naka-single rotor disc brake with 2-pot caliper dito sa harapan with ABS. Habang naka-single disc brake, single pot caliper naman po dito sa likuran with ABS. At ang sukat naman po ng kanyang gulong rito sa harapan ay mayroong sukat na 120/70-14, habang mayroon naman pong sukat na 150/70-13 dito sa likuran. Combination naman po ng analog at digital ang kanyang meter panel display. At adjustable na po ito pong kanyang mga brake levers. At ang kanya naman pong button selectors, mayroon po itong passing light, high beam and low beam, turn signal selectors at ang kanyang horn. Habang dito naman po sa kabila, mayroon po itong hazard button, engine kill switch, on and off para sa kanyang headlight at ang kanyang electric starter. At mayroon po itong park brake lock. Naka-smart keyless system ang ignition. Included na rin po rito yung kanyang fuel at set opener. May built-in na USB charging port. At mayroon naman po itong fuel tank capacity na 13.5 liters. Malapad po ito pong kanyang upuan at naka-two-tone color combination naman po ito pong kanyang seat cover na black at gray. Stylish din po ang dating nito pong kanyang integrated na grab bar. Malapad din po ito pong kanyang pillion board with footrest extension at mayroon po itong rubber cover on top na anti-slip. At ito po ay equipped with side stand engine cut-off switch. Tubular naman po na metal, ito pong kanyang center stand. Alloy naman po ito pong ating pillion step para sa ating back rider. Black color naman po ito pong kanyang CVT cover at may naka-intact po rito na FKM. At may nakalagay naman po na Sleek 400 3D emblem dito po sa kanyang side profile. Two-tone color naman po ito pong kanyang pipe at mayroon naman po itong single exhaust. At ito po ay gumagamit ng liquid cooled para po sa kanyang cooling system. At napakalapad naman po nito pong kanyang LED na taillight. Included na rin po rito ito pong kanyang LED na turn signals. At mayroon po itong 400 cubic centimeter engine displacement. Naka-single cylinder, single overhead cam, 4-stroke with 4 valve. At nakakapag-provide naman po ito ng maximum power na 27 kW at 7,700 RPM. Habang nakakapagbigay naman po ito ng maximum torque na 37 Nm at 6,000 RPM. At ito po ay fuel-injected engine. At mayroon po itong seat height na 745 mm, may ground clearance na 140 mm, at mayroon naman po itong kabuoang bigat na 200 kg. At ang presyo po ng FKM Sleek 400 ay nagkakahalaga po ito ng 288,000 pesos. At kung gusto mo naman pong kumuha ng hulugan ay kailangan mo lang pong mag-down payment ng 86,400 pesos. At mayroon naman po itong 12,434 pesos sa loob po yan ng 24 months.